Hey there, I'm Sean with The Modest Wallet, where we make money simple. In this video, we're going to be looking at the 9 best crowdfunding platforms. If you have no idea what crowdfunding means, I'll briefly explain it and then we will get into our list with hopefully some helpful information for you about each crowdfunding site that we mention. I promise you don't want to miss it, so stay tuned. Before I get into this video, I did want to give a special shout out.
Did you hear my shout out to you?
And thank you to all the subscribers to our channel. We recently reached the 1,000 subscriber milestone.
Up 1,000.
And are very grateful and appreciative of your support. Our goal is to continue to make money simple and provide value to you, our audience.
Value you? We all value you.
Let us know if you ever want to dive deeper into any specific money topics, and you can do that by letting us know in the comments below. Back to the video at hand, let's briefly talk about what exactly a real estate crowdfunding platform is. A crowdfunding platform is a website or app that enables a large number of people to fund a person or project. Now, specifically in this video, we are talking about real estate crowdfunding platforms. Real estate crowdfunding is the process of raising capital for real estate projects, including residential real estate, commercial properties, and debt instruments such as mortgage loans. Crowdfunding allows companies to collect smaller amounts of funding from a larger pool of investors, potentially raising more money than is otherwise available from traditional fundraising avenues. Real estate has been a top performing asset class for years, and it continues to be a great way to earn passive income while providing diversity to your portfolio, as well as potentially saving money on taxes at the same time. Now, the barrier to entry in real estate investing is a little pricey for some investors, including myself. It's generally recommended to have a 20% down payment on real estate, which equates to several $1,000s. Luckily, real estate crowdfunding sites have cleared the way to give average investors, once again, like myself and maybe you, access to commercial and residential real estate investments at a fraction of the cost. Now that we've discussed what real estate crowdfunding is, let's get into the 9 best crowdfunding real estate platforms of the year. I'm going to explain what each platform is best for, how it works, their best features, the pros and cons, whether or not you need to be accredited, and the minimum investment needed to invest. If any of these platforms seem like they may be a good fit for you, we have links in the descriptions to sign up for the crowdfunding platform or platforms of your choice. First on the list is Fundrise. Fundrise is ranked as our best overall crowdfunding platform. Not only that, but Fundrise is one of the most popular real estate crowdfunding platforms. It was founded in 2012 and quickly became one of the biggest players in the industry. The company provides a value investing approach and offers institutional quality real estate investments. All investors, accredited and non-accredited, are welcome to invest through one of 5 account levels in diversified, low-cost portfolios consisting of residential and commercial properties. Now, every account level suits a particular type of investor. This allows the investor to grow without having to switch platforms in the process. What I find most impressive about Fundrise is that you only need $10 to get started, and fees are very low. This is actually ideal for first-time investors because the fees don't eat up too much of the returns. Now, to recap, the pros are low fees, $10 investment minimum, it's open to non-accredited investors, it's a self-directed IRA investing, there's share redemption programs, income from dividends and capital appreciation are available, and dividends can be reinvested. Some cons to consider: it's highly illiquid investment, there's no individual deals, investors have to do their own due diligence themselves, and customer support is only available via email. Second on our list is Roofstock. Roofstock is best for single family and rental properties. On Roofstock, you can buy turnkey single-family rental properties in more than 70 U.S. markets. These rental homes are usually occupied by tenants and provide you with rental income right from the start. The company wants to make investing in real estate a breeze, so they do all the heavy lifting for you, from screening and evaluating properties to negotiating and closing the deal. You just have to browse the marketplace, filter for your favorite factors, and then make an offer. Roofstock allows for investors to buy shares of fully managed rental properties and invest in custom portfolios similar to non-public REITs. You can also use 1031 exchanges and self-directed IRAs, but the best part is that they have a unique 30-day money-back guarantee. In regards to the pros of Roofstock, there's tons of rental properties. It's open to all investors except Roofstock 1. There's a thorough inspection and vetting process. There's low buying and selling fees. Roofstock connects you with property managers. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and there's IRA investing and 1031 exchanges. Cons include high minimum investments, buying houses unseen, it's an illiquid investment, and homeowners need to set aside money for potential repairs. Third on the list of the 9 best crowdfunding platforms is Diversifund. Diversifund is best for REIT funds. REIT stands for Real Estate Investing Trusts. The online crowdfunding platform Diversifund wants to make the investment tool of the 1% available to everyone. They offer one public non-traded real estate investment trust, or a REIT, which primarily invests in value-add multifamily real estate properties across the country. You can start investing with just $500, which is perfect for investors with limited capital. You also don't need accreditation to participate. What makes Diversifund unique is that they own, develop, and manage the properties all for you. While their service used to be free, the company now charges 2% in management fees. 2 things to keep in mind: you can't withdraw any cash and your rental income will be reinvested automatically. You have to wait at least 5 years until the investment term of the growth REIT ends to see your returns and initial capital. Pros include a $500 investment minimum. It's open to non-accredited investors, an easy-to-use platform, and access to commercial real estate and educational resources. Now, some of the cons include highly illiquid investments, there's no secondary market, automatic reinvestment of dividends, a high developer sponsor fees on the REIT level, a short track record, and little diversification. Fourth on our list is CrowdStreet. CrowdStreet is best for investing in private equity real estate. CrowdStreet specializes in commercial real estate investments with holding periods between 2 and 10 years. Accredited investors can diversify their real estate portfolios across many projects in the United States and have extensive details at hand to make informed decisions. The site offers access to institutional quality real estate. It checks every deal, sponsor, and application. And it does this before bringing them together with its investor audience. Next to standalone deals, investors can invest in management funds or create a real estate portfolio with the help of the firm's advisory team. Since they launched in 2014, CrowdStreet has been boasting a solid track record and very attractive targeted return rates, making the platform a suitable choice for accredited investors. Now, still, the minimum investment is $25,000, so you do have to have some initial money. Pros include access to institutional level commercial real estate, no fees for investors, more than 500 closed deals and 50 plus fully realized, an impressive track record and high returns. There's thorough pre-screening process of sponsors. There's excellent deal transparency, robust and easy to use dashboard, a self-directed IRA investment. Its extensive quality educational resources and help center round out the pros. Cons include limited liquidity, accredited investors only, and a high minimum investment of $25,000 per deal. Fifth on our list is Streetwise. Streetwise is best for commercial properties. They are a more conservative real estate platform. The company offers one private equity REIT that invests in commercial real estate with a debt ratio of 50% to 60%. Streetwise targets properties that already have large tenants, such as Panera Bread or Allied Solutions. The REIT is open to accredited and non-accredited investors and provides regular cash flows. While investments are subject to a 1-year lockup, redemptions can be made each quarter. Streetwise has a solid rate of return, transparent fee structure, and an acceptable investment minimum to get started. What sets the platform apart from most crowdfunding platforms is that it directly owns and operates the real estate properties you can invest in. Pros include institutional quality real estate. It's open to non-accredited investors. There's a $5,000 minimum investment. There's self-directed IRAs. Funding is via cryptocurrency. That's a possibility. Dividends can be reinvested. Experienced founders have skin in the game. Quarterly share redemptions, a strong return rate, and transparent fee structure. Cons include no individual deals, minimal diversification, short track record, a high share redemption penalties, and a 1-year lockup period. Sixth on the list is Cadre. Cadre is best for liquidity. With Cadre, accredited investors can back institutional level commercial real estate. The company relies on technology, industry experience, and extensive due diligence to discover the best investments and generate excellent risk-adjusted returns. So far, Cadre does have an intriguing track record. The low volume site allows you to invest in standalone deals in a diversified fund. Management team invests alongside its members, which is great to proving their alignment. One strength of the platform is its opportunity zones offering. This feature can be desirable for investors looking for tax advantages of these zones. However, the $50,000 minimum investment is only suitable for high net worth individuals. Pros include institutional level real estate, massive financial experience, management and employees have skin in the game, a strong track record and high returns, the secondary market, opportunity zones as we mentioned, and thorough due diligence and vetting process. Cons include only for accredited investors, there's a $50,000 minimum investment, and a low deal flow. Our seventh real estate crowdfunding platform is Realty Mogul. Realty Mogul is rated as the best platform and user experience. Realty Mogul offers something for everyone on its marketplace, making it an excellent one-stop shop for investors. The platform targets institutional quality commercial real estate that regular investors typically don't have access to and offers a buyback program to enhance investment liquidity. Non-accredited investors get the opportunity to invest in one of their 2 privately traded REITs, Mogul REIT 1 for attractive monthly cash distributions and Mogul REIT 2 for capital appreciation. Accredited investors can further invest in specific standalone deals and participate in 1031 exchanges. Besides, Realty Mogul has one of the best due diligence processes in the entire industry for finding well-leased cash flow producing properties. However, investors need at least $5,000 for REITs and $25,000 or more for private placements. Pros include a rigorous due diligence process, Mogul REITs open to non-accredited investors, a share buyback program, standalone deals and 1031 exchanges, monthly or quarterly distributions can be reinvested, automated investing. Cons include high minimum investments, accreditation needed for private placements, complex fee structures, and slow deal flow. Eighth on the list is Arrived Homes. Arrived Homes is best for flexible investment amounts. Arrived Homes allows investors to participate in real estate investments for as little as $100. Like other platforms listed here, the company aims to make this asset class accessible to everyone. Investors such as Jeff Bezos and Mark Bainhoff back the firm financially. The company specializes in single-family homes across the country. It takes care of finding tenants and dealing with maintenance needs and repairs. Arrived Homes rigorously vets real estate markets, neighborhoods, and properties to buy only those houses that show the most income producing potential. From there, investors can buy shares of the listed properties and receive a quarterly dividend payment. Arrived Homes is classified as a REIT and taxed accordingly. Interestingly, tenants are owners as well. Pros include a $100 minimum investment. It's open to all investors. There's quarterly dividend payments. It's easy to use platform, professional property management, protection from personal liability, thorough vetting process, and good educational resources. Cons include limited liquidity, share redemption isn't guaranteed, there's a very low deal flow, and fees reduce rental income. And finally, ninth on our list of the best crowdfunding platforms is AcreTrader. AcreTrader is best for farmland investing. Investors looking for a different approach to real estate investing may want to consider AcreTrader. We are mostly talking about commercial and residential real estate here. Farmland investing is also included on this list. The relatively new site is for accredited investors only and has a rigorous due diligence process. Instead of buying a farm and managing it yourself, you can purchase shares of investment-grade farmland nationwide. You then receive your income by renting that farmland out to farmers or reselling it at a higher price in the future. If you have $5,000 to $10,000 based on the price per acre, and want to invest in this fascinating asset class, this can be your platform. Pros include low volatility, high return asset class, a reasonable investment minimum, thorough due diligence, relatively low fees, a nationwide diversification, helpful acre trader farm value tools, farmland rating, annual cash distributions and expected land appreciation, and educational resources. Cons include it's only for accredited investors, it's an illiquid investment, it's limited track record, and low deal flow. Let's briefly recap these 9 best crowdfunding platforms: Fundrise, Roofstock, DiversiFund, CrowdStreet, Streetwise, Cadre, Realty Mogul, Arrived Homes, and AcreTrader. If you resonated with any of these or want to look into them more as an investment property, I've placed links in the description for you to check them out, maybe even sign up to start funding your crowdfunding account. If you have any questions or want to share how your experience went with any of these platforms, be sure to comment below. We'd love to hear what has worked well or even what hasn't, if that's the case for you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found value in it, and I'll see you in the next one as long as you're subscribed.